From drifting sideways with Formula Drift pro Dylan Hughes to exploring Porsche's racing heritage with Mobile One, we cover it all. Learn how Castrol tech support keeps teams winning, why Valvoline's Easy Pour 15W saves your high-mileage engine, and whether extending your oil change interval is actually safe. Let's dive in. Number 5. Easy Pour MaxLife 15. Looking for an engine oil that delivers smooth performance, strong engine protection, and easier pouring without the usual mess? In this video, we take a closer look at the powerful Valvoline MaxLife Easy Pour 15W oil, and why so many drivers trust it for high-mileage vehicles in 2026. Could this be one of the smartest oil choices for aging engines and daily drivers? Stay till the end because one important feature of the Easy Pour design surprises almost everyone. Valvoline MaxLife has become one of the most trusted motor oils for vehicles with higher mileage thanks to its advanced formula designed to reduce engine wear, minimize leaks, and improve long-term reliability. The Easy Pour packaging makes oil changes faster, cleaner, and more convenient, especially for drivers who prefer doing maintenance at home. No more struggling with heavy bottles or messy spills during oil changes. In this video, we explain how MaxLife 15W motor oil helps protect engine components under high temperatures and demanding driving conditions. You'll learn about viscosity performance, seal conditioners, sludge protection, and why high-mileage oils are important for older engines. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, pickup truck, or performance vehicle, proper engine lubrication plays a huge role in extending engine life and maintaining smoother performance. We also compare the Easy Pour system with traditional oil containers and discuss why many mechanics and car enthusiasts appreciate the improved handling and storage design. From convenience to engine protection, this product combines practical innovation with reliable performance trusted by millions of drivers worldwide. If you enjoy automotive reviews, car maintenance tips, engine care advice, and product breakdowns, this video is packed with useful information for every car owner. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more automotive content and honest product reviews. Comment below and tell us which motor oil brand you currently use in your vehicle and why it's your favorite. Number 4. Castrol product and technical support. Discover how Castrol products and technical support help drivers, mechanics, and racing teams achieve maximum engine performance, reliability, and protection in every condition. Have you ever wondered why professional motorsports teams and automotive experts trust Castrol lubricants for high-performance engines? In this video, we explore the advanced technology behind Castrol products and how their technical support team helps solve real automotive challenges. Stay till the end because some of the engine protection secrets revealed in this video may completely change how you maintain your vehicle forever. From engine oils and transmission fluids to industrial lubricants and motorcycle products, Castrol continues to lead the automotive lubrication industry with cutting-edge innovation and trusted performance. This video explains how Castrol develops oils designed to reduce engine wear, improve fuel efficiency, and handle extreme temperatures under demanding driving conditions. Whether you drive a daily commuter car, sports car, truck, or motorcycle, choosing the right lubricant can make a massive difference in engine life and overall performance. You'll also learn about Castrol's professional technical support services, including product recommendations, troubleshooting assistance, maintenance guidance, and support for workshops and motorsports teams. Their experts help customers select the correct oil grades, improve equipment efficiency, and solve complex lubrication issues across different industries and vehicles. We also take a closer look at how modern synthetic oils work, why oil viscosity matters, and how regular maintenance can protect engines from long-term damage. For car enthusiasts and mechanics, this video offers valuable insights into automotive care, engine health, and advanced lubrication technology. Whether you're passionate about cars, motorcycles, motorsports, or automotive engineering, this video is packed with useful information and expert advice. If you enjoy automotive content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting car and technology videos. Comment below and tell us which Castrol product you trust the most for your vehicle and why. Number 3. Know your oil. Should you extend your oil drain interval? Are you changing your engine oil too early and wasting money, or waiting too long and risking serious engine damage? In this video, we answer one of the biggest automotive maintenance questions. Should you extend your oil drain interval? Modern engine oils are more advanced than ever, but does that really mean your car can safely go longer between oil changes? Stay till the end because one mistake many drivers make could dramatically shorten engine life without them even realizing it. This video explores how engine oil works, why oil changes are critical for engine health, and the key factors that determine whether extending your oil drain interval is actually safe for your vehicle. From synthetic oils to high-mileage formulas, modern lubricants are designed to handle extreme heat, friction, and contaminants better than older oils. But not every engine, driving style, or environment is the same. You'll learn how driving habits like short trips, stop-and-go traffic, towing, high temperatures, and aggressive driving can affect oil life much faster than expected. We also explain how oil viscosity, engine condition, manufacturer recommendations, and oil filter quality all play major roles in deciding the correct drain interval for your car. The video also covers warning signs of worn-out oil, how oil analysis works, and whether long-life synthetic oils are truly worth the extra cost. For car enthusiasts, mechanics, and daily drivers alike, understanding proper oil maintenance can help improve fuel efficiency, reduce engine wear, and save thousands of dollars in repair costs over time. Whether you drive a modern turbocharged engine, a high-mileage daily driver, or a performance car, knowing when to change your oil is one of the most important parts of vehicle maintenance. If you enjoy automotive education, maintenance tips, and honest car advice, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful automotive content. Comment below and tell us how often you change your engine oil, and whether you would ever extend your oil drain interval. Number 2. Mobil 1 and Porsche. Jörg Bergmeister, Porsche Museum. Step inside the legendary world of Porsche performance with an exclusive look at the incredible partnership between Mobil 1 and Porsche featuring professional racing driver Jörg Bergmeister at the iconic Porsche Museum. Ever wondered what makes Porsche race cars perform at the highest level on the track while maintaining legendary reliability? In this exciting video, Jörg Bergmeister shares insider knowledge about motorsports, endurance racing, and the engineering philosophy that keeps Porsche at the top of the automotive world. Stay till the end because some behind-the-scenes stories from the Porsche Museum are truly unforgettable. This video takes you deep inside Porsche history, showcasing legendary race cars, rare classics, and groundbreaking innovations that shaped the future of motorsports. From Le Mans winning machines to modern performance icons, every vehicle inside the Porsche Museum tells a story of speed, passion, and engineering excellence. Jörg Bergmeister also explains how Mobil 1 plays an important role in helping Porsche engines deliver maximum performance under extreme racing conditions. You'll discover fascinating details about Porsche's racing heritage, advanced engine technology, and how precision engineering influences every Porsche model on the road today. Whether you're a motorsports fan, car enthusiast, or Porsche lover, this experience offers a rare look into the world of professional racing and automotive perfection. The interview also covers Jörg Bergmeister's personal racing experiences, favorite Porsche models, memorable track moments, and what it feels like to drive some of the fastest Porsche race cars ever built. Fans of drifting, racing, supercars, and endurance motorsports will find plenty of exciting insights throughout the video. If you love Porsche, racing history, high-performance cars, and exclusive automotive content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible car content. Comment below with your favorite Porsche model, and tell us which Porsche you would dream of driving one day. Number 1. Q&A with Pro Drifter Dylan Hughes. Get ready for an exciting Q&A session with professional drifter Dylan Hughes as he reveals the secrets behind high-speed drifting, car control, and life in the motorsports world. Ever wondered what it really feels like to throw a car sideways at extreme speeds while staying in complete control? In this exclusive interview, Dylan answers the most asked questions from drifting fans around the world and shares experiences that every car enthusiast will love. Stay till the end because some of his answers might completely change the way you look at professional drifting forever. In this video, Dylan Hughes talks about how he first entered the drifting scene, the biggest challenges he faced during his career, and the intense training required to compete at a professional level. He also explains what separates an average driver from a true drifting expert and reveals the importance of precision, timing, and confidence behind the wheel. If you are passionate about modified cars, motorsports, racing culture, or high-performance driving, this Q&A is packed with valuable insights and entertaining stories. You'll also hear Dylan discuss his favorite drift cars, dream builds, competition memories, tire setups, engine power, and how modern drifting has evolved over the years. From beginner advice to professional-level techniques, this interview covers everything fans want to know. Whether you're new to drifting or already a hardcore motorsports fan, there's something exciting here for everyone. But that's not all. Dylan also answers some unexpected and fun questions about his personal driving habits, craziest drift moments, future goals, and the biggest mistakes beginners make when learning to drift. Some of his answers are surprising, hilarious, and incredibly inspiring. If you enjoy car content, drifting videos, racing interviews, and automotive culture, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Comment below with your favorite answer from Dylan Hughes, and let us know which drift car you would love to drive someday. Your support helps us bring more exclusive Q&A sessions with professional drivers and automotive legends in the future.